Pag nakita mo yung content creator na yan, buhusan mo siya ng isang timbang gasolina, silaban mo siya ng buhay. I think kailangan ko lang i-rebuke tong taong to, guys. Paano mo nagagawa magsalita ng ganitong bagay? And at the same time, you are claiming to be a follower of Christ. I mean, okay, kung makasalubong mo ako sa daanan at gusto mo akong patayin, go ahead. But I'm telling you, I'm not afraid of you. Isa lang ang kinakatakutan ko, ang Diyos. Sabi nga sa Matthew 10:28, don't be afraid of those who want to kill your body. They cannot touch your soul. Fear only God, who can destroy both soul and body in hell. Like, I just don't get it. Anong ginawa ko sa'yo? Ba't galit na galit ka? Yung comment niya, doon pa sa matagal kong video, yung video about, in-explain ko kung ano meaning ng born again. Like, pinag-isipan mo ba yung comment mo? Tama nga yung sinasabi dito sa James 3:7. Sabi dito, people can tame all kinds of animals, birds, reptiles, and fish, but no one can tame the tongue. It is restless and evil, full of deadly poison. Please, don't claim na follower ka ni Christ. Do you think Jesus will said something like this? So I rebuke you in the name of my Lord Jesus Christ. Get behind me, Satan. No weapon shall prosper against me. And if God is for me, who can be against me? Shalom, brother. I pray that God will touch your heart.